I can't seem to get my face to fit in the screen. Sorry. Um, hey. Hey. All right. Let's get into it. All right. So, this one is public. I've been doing a funded account challenge for I started last Tuesday. I think I'm down like $100 or something. I made a couple of mistakes. It's been specifically for the trading floor members only, but I figured I'd open this one up to the public because a lot of people are calling me a sellout, and I honestly have a lot of people's opinion just so far up my that I don't care. But I want to give value to as many people as possible. So this is going to be the one and only public live stream of the funded account challenge. Hopefully, oh, hold on. This is me trading live a funded account challenge. I'm going to be taking trades live on this stream. I'm going to be entering a trade with a stop loss and a take profit. My stop loss is going to be a 1% risk, and my take profit is going to be a 2% gain. Hopefully, I can get that. If you are going to be copying my trades, realize number one, that there is a lag between when I enter a trade and when you actually see it on your screen. I don't know if it's 15 seconds, 20 seconds, a minute. There is a lag. So you will inherently get into a trade after I do. The second thing, don't be dumb and don't enter a trade because I entered a trade and then not have a stop loss. I have a stop loss specifically on every single trade the moment that I enter the trade so that if it aggressively goes against me, I will know immediately and have my stop loss hit. I will not, go $10,000 negative because I didn't put a stop loss. So if you are going to be trading along with me, do not do that dumb thing that people do. Now that that caveat is out of the way, let me go into how I want this set up, how we're going to be looking at the market, what indicators I'm going to be using. Right now, there's kind of a little thing going on. I'm trading US 30. I might look at other pairs, but I'm going to be trading US 30. Right now, there's kind of a little break of an uptrend, so we might get an entry relatively soon. So hopefully I can explain all of this shit to you quickly. All right. So what we're looking at here is the 1 minute chart on US 30. We had a pretty significant push down, okay? And then the price started to come back up. It rejected with this wick off of the 50 level and broke through that parallel channel that I drew up. But this is the 1 minute. You cannot rely on that. I don't know if this is going to be a fib push down or something else on a higher time frame. So what we're going to do is take US 30 out to the hourly, okay? I'm going to remove everything, okay? This is that huge dump that we saw last week. I tried trading in this zone because I was forcing trades to do something on a live stream, and I ended up losing 2 back-to-back, and that my rule is if you lose 2 back-to-back, you stop trading for the day. So, no more dumb stuff. What I am going to do, though, is show you how I mark up my support and resistance areas. I'm not looking at all of this. I'm just looking at what price is doing recently. I will mark this up because this is the previous low point, right? So looking at that, that is a potential take profit zone if price keeps going down. If we are looking up, this one is quite far away. But if we look at where the price crossed a lot, that is a potential another zone. If we take this down to the 15-minute, we are looking at another area here. Okay, I'm going to change that color so that you guys know it's on a smaller time frame. And right here, okay? We're just looking at the swing highs and swing lows of everything in between. We might do something right there as well. So right now we're playing between these two 15-minute zones. Now, looking at market structure, went down, had a consolidation zone, broke out, kept pushing down. Now, we have kind of broken the down structure on a 15-minute time frame. So, the bias could be a little bit bullish. Now, moving into our indicators. I have the 3-line strike indicator, which essentially just shows you 3-line strikes. It is for free for everybody. Just type in 3-line strike or 3LS, 3-line strike, TTF, by the trade floor. It's free for everybody, okay? What I also have up is the TMA Overlay, which is also free for everybody. I have the settings a little bit different. I just have the moving averages. Everything else is turned off so that I could see the general trend of the price. So glad that my microphone's on because I've been talking for fucking 10 minutes. Sometimes I check too late. So we had this nice downtrend and now we are starting to come up. That is my second indication that price wants to be bullish again. Then we have consolidation zones, which is something that Christy uses, and I want to be like Mike. So these are small areas of consolidation, and basically we're kind of looking for breakouts of these areas. This goes hand in hand with an indicator called StairMaster, which is a paid indicator part of the trading floor package. We're not using StairMaster on the 15-minute. We're using it on a smaller time frame, so I'm going to turn it off. But what we're also doing is using volume profiles. Volume profiles show you volume at specific price points and where it is the highest and in what direction. The volume profile indicator that I'm using is called Volume Profile by KV4 Coins. Now, I have 2 of them up on my chart. So, this volume profile is set to bullish, and because my bullish candles are yellow, I have it set to like a yellowy orange color. Horizontal offset is the only thing that I changed to 100, so it is further to the right. So let's change the other one to bearish and horizontal offset to 100. And now we have this layer of bullish and bearish volume in specific price areas. Right now, you can see that this one is the highest bullish volume, and this one is the highest bearish volume. So as price left this zone, you could see that this was the peak of the bullish volume profile. And subsequently, you can see that the price pushed up from that point. So let's take this down to a 5-minute time frame, see where we're living at, and see if we can start to spot some trading opportunities. Again, these are my 15-minute level rejection areas, okay? Kind of living in the middle of both of these right now. Excuse me, needed to drink some water. So, right now, we're back in this consolidation zone that we were living in last week. This was basically Thursday, all of it, September 15th and September 14th. And then once September 16th rolled around, it started to drop down. So, I don't like the fact that we're living here again because I don't like this area. But I do think still, because our previous market structure was bearish, and now we've broken that market structure with this, it had a failure to make a new lower high and another failure to make a new lower low. Looking at a Fibonacci retracement, the one that broke the market structure is the one that you're going to draw your fib levels at. It came down to the fib gold zone and pushed up to the negative 382. I think we can get the continuation push up to the negative 0.618 from here, which would get us another 160 point move. So all we need is like 30 to 40 of these points. But what we're looking for specifically is price action patterns and or breaks of small ass little zones. Okay, so that's why we're going to use the indicators. Now, go away. Looking at a 1-minute time frame. I don't suggest this for everybody, but because we're doing short scalps in specific zones, I mean, even if we caught a move up to the previous high from where we're at now, we're looking at a 58-point move, which is perfect for me. And we want our risk to reward to be a 1 to 2. Something like this. Okay? These are my price levels. Sorry that you couldn't see them earlier, but hopefully going to get a rejection here. See the high buying volume in this area? Now, popping up StairMaster and consolidation zones. These are areas that price is just chilling at, right? So with the StairMaster, essentially, there's a video on what all of this means, but all we're focusing on now is just the shoes, right? So the shoe only prints when the price is above this line and it's blue. Or if it prints below or on top of it, meaning short, it's going to be this purple line and it's going to print above. There's a bunch of other things within it that it has, like the TSV, RSI, like there's a bunch of stuff inside of it, as well as ceilings and floors, which I have off. But we're not focusing on that. We're just using it as a help for buy or sell. Now, this is pre-market. So, volume and volatility is low. But the plus side of it is that manipulation is also low. So if price is trending in a specific direction, it tends to trend like that until Frankfurt Open / London Open. Maybe if we're lucky, we can get a move before those things happen. But that is 41 minutes away. So let's cross our fingers, do some analysis, and hope for the very best. I'd like to welcome you all to the stream. Thanks for joining me this morning. I don't want to be on camera today because I have not shaved in 2 days. Thank you also so much for being patient with me as I was away this weekend because I have a life and I really want to reconnect with my wife. So I ended up taking her to Rome for the weekend. We left Friday. We came back yesterday morning. So literally 24 hours ago, I was still in Rome. It was nice. I spent way more money than I wanted to. My wife is very expensive, but it was literally the most amazing weekend I've had. It was if you think about subsequent amazing days, it was the most amazing subsequent set of days that I've had in my life, either period or in a very, very long time. So absolutely fell in love with Rome. It was my first time there, and I'm definitely going to go back. I do, however, not suggest going to the Trevi Fountain on Saturday or Sunday. There's a fuckload of people there. Yeah, and if you saw my Telegram, I bought new shoes. I like sneakers a lot. I also bought a Lego suitcase because I didn't pack a suitcase there. I didn't think I was going to buy anything, so I just had a backpack full of my t-shirts, essentially. All right, let's get back to the price. All right, so I'm going to put this up for you just so that you guys can see what StairMaster is doing. Basically, StairMaster shows you areas of consolidation. And when it breaks out, it's basically a breakout trading strategy. When it breaks out of one of these levels, these step levels that it creates, it then prints the shoe. And during heavy market, this works really, really well during New York session. Okay. So stuff like this, and it's essentially the same thing as the waiting for the moving averages to line up like I teach, right? So you break out of this zone during an active high volume live session, and it just goes. And so the whole thing is you enter a long position when it breaks out with the stop below the swing low, and then you're only trying to get a 1 to 1.5, which is that. And that's it. And you got 1.5% profit. But you have to wait for, active big sessions. But it is good sometimes when market is trending pre-session. So you can see every one of these: shoe, profit, shoe, profit, shoe, loss, shoe, loss. But that was 9 p.m. my time. Anyway, you could see the difference between an active session and a not active session. The candles are much smaller. But there are two ways to look at the market right now. Let's hide that. Hide that. we have I just showed you the fib on the higher time frame, so we could push up to that 382 again on the higher time frame, or looking at a lower time frame, we have hit a 50 level retracement on this big down move. Okay, so right now, if we think of this as like a consolidation zone, we're waiting for above or below this. If it goes above this, we're going to be targeting this. It's going to look like this. Hold on. Right there, which gives us 45 points and a 1 to 2. So it'll be basically break above that, target this, stop loss below, or if it breaks below, we're going to be targeting either this, which is going to give us a 1 to 1.5, or this, which is a 1 to 3, which I would prefer, to be completely honest. And looking left on a 5-minute time frame, that seems like a pretty nice zone to be targeting. Plus, that might just be a pullback of the current trend that's going on. Like, that is... I don't like the idea of a short position there. That one I like less than the bullish one. So those are my two biases. Reasons why and reasons why not. We are not in a trade. If you have just joined us, I have no active trades going on right now. I am trading a funded account. Current balance is 49,837, which means I'm down like 160 bucks. We are doing proper risk management. If you have just gotten on the stream, please listen to my warning at the beginning of the stream and then come back to where we are right now. If you would like to just start from the beginning, I show you support and resistance zones that I've marked up, as well as indicators that I'm using. Let's get into some comments, because you guys have been a little bit chatty, I can see. London will be opening soon. I live in Poland, and it is 7:26 a.m., 34 minutes before Frankfurt open, where we start to get some little bit of movement. Rome was amazing. Why do I trade US 30 when the markets are closed? Spreads are much higher and way less volume. True and true. My broker has great spreads even during non-US market session hours. And I like the less manipulation. And it's the time that I trade. Yes. Dive into reality. Everyone should hit that like button. If you guys are enjoying any of the information that I share on this stream, hit the like button. If we get, because right now we have 623 concurrent viewers, if we get 600 likes, I will show you the new sneakers that I got. I'm not using an FTMO trial. I've actually purchased with my own money a Osprey funded account. Oh, and yeah, doing a giveaway right now. So still for the next 11 days, 10 days. I don't know how many days are in September. If you click the first link in the description, you could enter in to win one of 3 $10,000 funded account challenges. It's free, so go try to win. I think there's like only 1,000 submissions to win, so you have a 1 in 1,000 chance. It's a 3 in 1,000 chance. Sorry, even better. Yeah, this hoodie is extremely comfortable, and since I got back from Italy, Rome, it was warm as hell there, and I wore shorts and a t-shirt, and now it's cold here. It's like straight up fall, mucky, rainy, gross. So I figured a warm, fuzzy hoodie would be great for today. Thank you, Artie 2.0. My clone is on point always. Thank you for being here and watching the stream. No, I won't do Elliott Wave because I don't trade it. Okay, hold on. We got a sneaker. Should we get into a trade? Stop loss is going to be there. Hold on. What's the entry on that? Sorry, I got to do some mathematics. I want a 20-point stop loss. So my stop loss is going to be here, targeting a 1 to 2. God damn, I got into this trade so late. Fuck me. Why was I looking at chat? Hold on. I'm going to wait. No, I'm going to send it. All right, so I am in a trade right now. Stop loss is below this swing. We had a really good push up. We got the sneaker printed right here at 117. We got in at 1 fucking 30, which sucks. Which is essentially at the close of this secondary candle. You know, that blows, but it is what it is. I still think it's a good move because I've already done my analysis on it. Okay, we got a doji. If we get that out of that, then that would suck. But didn't check my other confluences. Bullish on that, no divergence. I think we should be good. I think it'll retrace down to let's see. Fuckity fuck. If it goes down, it may retrace to about half of that bullish candle. 5-minute sneaker also. 1-minute sneaker also. Let's hide some of this indicator shit. And yeah, I think we should be safe. So our entry price was 31,130. Hold on. Let me get this all set up. Settings, inputs. Entry price 31,130. Stop loss is going to be 31,099, and take profit level is 31,193. So that is what our current trade looks like, which I don't really like because I wanted to target this area. Our target is way up here. Fuck, I really wish I would have gotten in on that sneaker and been paying attention. Way better entry. If we do drop this take profit to where it was previously, right there, gives us a 1 to 1.3. If it rejects here at this zone and goes up, I might stack this trade because I still like the trade. Let's see what it does at that zone. This is the gold zone of that fat candle that shot up. Still need 400 likes to show you my sneakers. So I'm going to monitor this trade and keep an eye out for, because what was it, 93 that our take profit was at? Yeah, 93. So I'm going to monitor this trade when it gets to here. Put a horizontal line so that I know that this is an area that I would like to monitor. And by monitor, I mean check the fucking RSI, because it's making it, if it's making a double top there, then I will get out of the trade. Okay? The other indicators that I have is stock RSI, MACD, standard settings, and RSI. So, we didn't have a divergence on RSI, so I'm fine with that. MACD is above the 0 level. and no divergence on stock as well. So let's just get back up into profit and see what goes. I also want you guys to realize the key to trading is like the mindset shit. Never panic when you're in a trade, because I've done my analysis both directions. This is the one that I preferred more. So I got into a trade. I have my stop loss. I'm willing to lose that $498.38 if it gets stopped out, and then look for my next trade and just do it. There's no need to panic. There's no need to freak out. If it goes against you, it goes against you. If it goes in your direction, you shouldn't be happy either. It is what it is. It is a part of the process. All the moving averages are lined up. Got the 21, the 50, 100, and 200. So momentum's on our side. Just really wish I would have gotten in before that candle. Because then right now we'd be in profit, and I would have taken the signal on the signal, and then my take profit would have actually been in this area versus a 1 to 2, which brings me up to here. So let's get rid of this short position because I didn't like it anyway. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to grab some water and another coffee. All right. Sorry about that. Just needed a refill on my caffeine. What is this trade doing? All right. A lot of resistance / consolidation there. Whoa. I'm risking 1% on this trade, which is $500. 498, but same shit. Small little divergence here. Yeah, trade might go against me. We'll see. Still got all these moving averages to hold me up. I do trade big ass candles, but they're not always readily available for me. Frankfurt starts trading in 12 minutes. Pip and Nick, what up, bro? Fucking one of the OGs. Dude, just 300 more likes on this stream. And I'll show you my new sneakers. They're fucking cool. The volume indicators are volume profiles by KV4 coins, and I have one set to bearish and one set to bullish. So I can see the bullish and bearish volume in both directions. All right, for those of you who want to see current trade, entry price, stop loss, take profit. Use the risk calculator. You will never get into a trade without a take profit and a stop loss. Excuse me. This is an funded account challenge. I paid $300 some odd for it. It's a 50K funded account challenge. That's why it says demo. This is the reality of trading. You just sit and you look. And you watch and you wait and you look and you watch and you wait. Three minutes till Frankfurt opens. Favorite is downhill biking by far. Best cardio on earth is fucking hitting a pump track on this thing. My take profit currently is at 31,193, but I'm going to check the RSI levels if it gets up to 31,170. Still haven't gotten enough likes to show you the sneakers, so I need more likes on this stream if you want to see the new sneakers that I got. Yeah, Frankfurt just opened, so there should be a little bit more volume in the market. The lack of carbs is going good. However, I was just in Rome over the weekend, so I did like I don't want to call it a cheat, but I did a refeed. So I ate more calories than, hold on. I ate more calories than I normally eat, but now I'm gonna be back on the game plan. Stop loss is probably gonna get hit because it's disrespecting this bullish buy zone. Stop loss hit. All right, so let's look for another entry, huh? Let's get rid of my face, show you this trade, and kind of wish I didn't delete that previous sell area. Quick recap. So we were in this zone. Broke out of that zone. Got a sneaker printed right here. Got into a trade a minute later than I wanted to. And now we have tapped some liquidity and are wicking a bit here. That's interesting. My previous other short position looked like this. 20 pips and 40 pips. Like that. So that might actually end up happening. Let's why is there a study error on that? I don't know. Okay. So for those of you guys that want to see all the trades, started with the 50K funded, 646, 132, -4. These were 2 back-to-back losses, and right now we just got -480. So total account is down 643. Yeah. I just have to wait for London open. Kind of don't want to get into a trade in the middle of Frankfurt. But I kind of like that candle formation down to the trend line. Doji and bullish. These are the settings for StairMaster, by the way. I'm gonna reload it because it's not, wait. Is it? Yeah, it's fucked up. StairMaster. StairMaster. that's fucked up. Why isn't it not liking my settings? Yeah, so as you can see, these orange lines are high volume areas from the volume profile, so bit of a fucky situation. I'll just leave it on standard settings. Yes, the Discord group is only for paid members. I'm doing these live streams 3 times a week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Moneymaker, yes. Christy and Brutus are a part of the crew. No discount code, sorry. It's 20 GBP. I don't see how it can get any cheaper. Yeah, I got stopped out on that buy. Rewind the stream to see the strategy. Risk calculator is part of the membership for the trading floor, link down below. Yeah, I'm looking for sells now. To enter the giveaway, click the first link in the description. I'm waiting. We're 100 likes on this stream away from me showing you my sneakers. Sorry. So on the 1 minute we rejected the 200, but all the other moving averages are going to push it down, I think. So I think if we get another sneaker to the downside, I think we should be good for a short position. And this would be a 1 to 3, which would be super nice. So we got stochastic crossing down. We got MACD below the 0 line. RSI is below the 50. Breaking this trend line. Moving average is pushing it down. I'm liking the amount of confluences that I have. Dixie's taking a dip. And then on the daily, Dixie's got some big divergences going on. Pretty sure you can trade anywhere. Dennis, you can trade US 30 24 hours a day, Monday through Friday. Get less volatility when it's not the New York session. Mm. 26 minutes till London Open. Think I might get into a short position on this sneaker. Debating though. I got in, but I don't really like it because there's a little bit of a divergence here. But everything, confluences have lined up. Fucking fuckity fuck fuck. Man, I'm just getting work today, huh? Fuck it, YOLO. Set orders. I do market orders and stuff. That could be true, Scott. I'm just silent, just sitting here, doing some other work. "9 minutes till London Open." 'Just got stopped out. That's the name of the game. All right. 2 stop outs. And I am done for the day because that's my rule. Otherwise, revenge trading tends to be a thing. And yeah. So currently down on the funded account, 1,150, which is 3%, I think. No, 1,000 percentages. Maths. So yeah, done. Let me show you this. So 48,867. Yeah, just got work today. It is what it is. Come back tomorrow and try again. I might trade a little bit during New York session because there's some news right there. Housing, building permits and housing starts. Might be a little bit more action. Maybe I could get a move. And if I do take a trade, I'll post it in the community on the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, sign up to thetradefloor.com. Links are in the description. And this is the face of somebody that doesn't give a fuck that they lost 2 trades in a row. It is what it is. God, I haven't shaved in 2 days. I need to groom this fucker. London Open is about to start in 5 minutes. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm going to get to work because I got a video to edit today. And thanks for joining me on the stream.